powder. This the peanut sauce we use for the satay, for gado-gado, for spring roll.
This one peanut sauce, no? Peanut sauce.
When you arrive in my kitchen, I'm already watch you because I'm there. Our menu today, we making chicken curry, chicken satay, steamed tofu roll on banana leaf, peanut sauce for gado-gado, tempe goreng, at the end we making dessert. Here is following this recipe book. Inside of the yellow sauce, turmeric kurkuma. With skin, without skin, they look like this. And then ginger. Everybody knows ginger. Yes. Galangal, the spicy ginger galangal. Here is the spicy one, honey. And then sweet ginger, aromatic ginger.
What is this?
Galangal. Yeah, this is the sweet ginger, same as what we use on the peanut sauce. You look like this, yeah?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red chili or capsicum, hot chili, shallot, garlic, candle nut or macadamia nut. Candle nut or macadamia. Now all of this we chop. We will chop. Or muscat.
Yeah.
And then we pounding, we blender until they look like a paste. After we blender, we need shrimp paste. Shrimp paste. Fish sauce. Yeah. Low fire. Pour the pepper.
Why we call satay lilit? Because the process put on a stick, twist down, we call lilit. Only process put the stick, we call lilit.